Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. I'm excited. I have a new product to try. I will be working, as you can see here, with a folk art color shift. So I'll be trying that for the first time. Let me show you here. You'll see the paint. I have a nice idea of goes from like a blue to a teal, purple. So I'm really excited to try that. And because this one color had so many colors, I decided to do it with just a plain white background. So I'm going to do it one color and the white, but I will be trying two different techniques. I'll be trying a swipe as well as maybe a blow. I'll see. So here we go. So I really enjoyed this beautiful color shift paint. I think that all the colors you're able to see depending on your angle is just so stunning. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!